Hello students. Now let us try to understand the combination of atomic orbital for molecular orbital. Okay. So for example, we are taking a student that is combination of 2s and 2p atomic orbital to form the molecular orbital. So we are taking the atomic orbital and we are going to form the molecular orbital. So dear student, combination, how we will do the combination? By LCAO method. LCAO method. So LCAO methods we know, student, that is linear combination of atomic orbital. Linear combination of atomic orbital. Okay. So by this method we are going to combine the atomic orbital for the molecular orbital. Okay, so let us see, student, what is having. Like 1s orbital, 2s orbital combine addition and subtraction overlapping to form bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. Okay, so the same way like 1s and that is 2s also combine to form that is bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. So that is anti-bonding molecular orbital. These are labeled as sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. These molecular orbital have exactly the same sigma 1s and sigma star 1s molecular, but they are slightly larger in size. Okay, student. So how can we able to draw the diagram of these, student, when you are talking about the sigma 1s and sigma 2s orbital? If you talk about, so diagram will be like that. When the additive will be there, so additive will be there, that is two nuclei will be coming close to, coming close, and while the subtractive is there, so two nuclei will be going away. Okay, student. So let us first of all let us try to understand additive and subtractive, how it is happening. So when you talk about additive, student, here I am explaining the for the better understanding. You see, student, so 2s orbital are there, whether 1s and 2s, that is both are simpler. So 2 will be, one is the additive, student, one is the additive and another is subtractive. So how additive, if you talk about, student, so that is two nuclei will be like that, two nuclei. So here two nuclei are there and that is plus charges are coming. So this is the sigma 1s. And for the subtractive, when you are going for the subtractive, student, the atomic orbital will be the, in the center here the region is high, student, but in the anti-bonding, that is subtractive, so it will be like that, student. You see, this is like that. So this is subtractive. So subtractive means one will be the plus, another will be minus, and here the nuclei. So between the region there is the no electrons are there. So that is, this is the ABMO, anti-bonding molecular orbital, and that is BMO. So it is known as what? Sigma star 1s. This is okay. So this is how the similarly, that is the 2s and 2p will be the similar orbital, students. Now what we are going to study, student, we are going to combine the 2p, combination of 2p atomic orbital. There are three p orbitals, namely 2px, 2py and 2pz, which are directed in the space along with xyz coordinate respectively. By the convention, we can assume z axis as a internuclear axis. Okay, z axis, if you talk about the z axis, this is known as, student, what is known as internuclear axis. Internuclear axis. This is known as internuclear axis. Now, y axis, and x and y axis, then the perpendicular to the internuclear axis. The combination of 2p orbital form the two types of molecular orbital, sigma molecular orbital and pi molecular orbital, are as discussed below. So first point is there, formation of sigma molecular orbital. When what is happening, students, see, when the two sigma 2pz orbital brought closer along the internuclear axis, they overlap head on forming sigma, okay, bond, where at the two orbital overlap by the addition of the electron wave, that is with the proper sign plus slope overlap, bonding molecular orbital form. This may be designed at the sigma 2pz. On the other hand, when the two wave functions are subtracted, an anti-bonding molecular orbital is formed. This is designed at sigma star 2pz. Thus, the 2pz atomic orbital combine to form the molecular orbital, that is bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital. So, dear student, for the better understanding, what we can try to understand here. See, if you talk about that is pz orbital, it form the sigma bond. Pz orbital form the sigma bond because that is pz is internuclear axis, and that is px and py, that is what is perpendicular axis. No, this is the perpendicular axis, right student? So dear students, what you will be able to do, they are saying that is whatever the sigma is there, so how it is forming, students, see. So 2pz is there, 2pz, if plus and plus sign are together, so they will form student bonding sigma 2pz bond. This is the BMO, bonding molecular orbital, and that is plus, and it is the subtracted plus, but it is the in between, that is negative sign is there. So plus and minus, so what is that is anti-bonding. This is the ABMO. So that is sigma is there, that is the pz is forming, that is sigma, but that is sigma is also two type, that is one is the BMO and another is ABMO. That is one is that is bonding molecular orbital and another is anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now let us move the another side. Formation of the pi molecular orbital. When a 2pz atomic orbital, when a 2pz atomic orbital of one atom approaches the 2pz, 2px, not 2pz, 2px atomic orbital approaches to 2px atomic orbital of another atom, the overlapping occurs sideways and not end to end. The molecular orbital formed by sideways or lateral overlap is known as pi molecular orbital. The molecular orbital form is not symmetrical about the internuclear axis. The molecular orbital formed by overlapping of two px orbitals by the addition of electron wave is called bonding pi molecular orbital, designated as pi 2px, while the molecular orbital formed by the overlapping of 2px atomic orbital by the subtraction of the electron wave is called the anti-bonding molecular orbital, labeled as pi star 2px. These are shown as. So how these are represented? He sees, student. So chemical bond here is, that is plus and plus getting added, minus getting added, so they are forming the bonding molecular orbital. So this is the pi bond, pi 2px. Similarly, if you see, student, if it is subtracted in between center, it is minus, so it will be like that, anti-bonding molecular orbital. So here is similarly, that is 2py orbitals of one atom overlapped with the 2py another atom. They also overlap sidewise, forming the two molecular orbital 2py and pi 2py and pi star 2py. These are exactly similar to pi 2px and pi star 2px molecular orbital. Thank you so much for watching, friends.